In the previous session, we have seen some extensions of where clause on how to handle numeric, character and date data types in the where conditions. Okay. So, we will also start using other comparative conditions in where clause in this session. So, we will start with select star from customers. We see how many records are there. Now, we have 7 records. Let us try to see how to select some specific patterns in this table. So, you use the where clause. Now, let us use say we remember we saw how to choose a phone number, a specific phone number or a specific address like Chennai, etc. Now, we will see how to choose patterns from this particular records. So, when I say patterns, for example, I want the list of customers who are coming from a city which starts with the letter C or which starts with the letter B. Let's see how that gets done. So, we say select star from customers where customer address is like what we need is a city or place of address which starts with the letter C. So, in this case you have two customers coming from Chennai. So, you should be listing only those two customers because there are no other addresses which starts with the letter Chennai. Okay. So, let us see if this works. Okay. So, this like is to match a specific pattern and then you can display according to that pattern the appropriate the records which match for these patterns. So, in this case you had only two customers coming from Chennai and there were no other customer address that starts with the letter C, right. So, in this case only two records were displayed. Now, let us select star from customers and see what are all the records once again. So, let us try to find out another pattern. Remember, this was done on a variable or a character data type. Now, let us try to do the same thing for a numeric data type. Here also you can fix a pattern. So, let us take customer phone. I want to choose the pattern 401. Okay. The list of all customers whose phone number starts with 401. Okay. So, let us see who are all getting listed. I should actually get Ram and Prakash, right. So, let us see. That is what we have got. So, this way you can have a pattern displayed on the condition using in the condition clause. It can be on a numeric data type, it could be also on a character data type. So, that is what we have seen. Now, I can explore this pattern in many other ways. For example, let me select all the records again. I am going to see an address or list of addresses or a list of customers whose address ends with the pattern BAD. Okay. In this case, I have two customers with Hyderabad and one customer from Ahmedabad. So, when I say the pattern as BAD in the end, I can also get 3 records in this case because the pattern is going to be ABAD. Let us first try that. And this time the percentage is going to happen before, right, because we are not doing the this one the pattern is to end, not at the beginning. So, I am taking the percentage from there and I am putting the percentage here. So, it is to end as ABAD. Let us see the 3 records that gets displayed. Sorry. Okay. So, now you get all the 3 addresses. So, depending upon how you place this character pattern, you can display different combinations of information. For example, I want LOR as a pattern. You have only one customer record, but this comes in the middle. So, I have to put percentage on both the sides, right. Let us see how this works. So, using this percentage symbol, you can display the different patterns that you like based on what you have put here. So this, you can manipulate the presence of percentage accordingly. For example, I can manipulate the same for name also, right? Any person whose name ends with H is what I'm particular about. So let's say percentage H, and this time it's going to be customer name. Let's see how many customers we're getting. We should probably get Prakash and Suresh because their name ends with H. That is what we have got. Okay, so using this percentage symbol and the keyword like, you can manipulate what are all the records that you would like to see and get it displayed. So I'm just selecting the records from the customer table again. So using the like command, you can withdraw or display records with specific patterns. This can be applicable both for character data type and numeric data type. Okay, what happens if it is going to be on a date data type? Let us see how that works also. So we have a table cust underscore orders where we have customer order date, right? So let us see how this pattern works on a date data type. Okay, so where order underscore date like, in this case I'm going to say 01 percentage. Okay, because I want all the dates, order dates which start with 1. Okay, you get that displayed. So in date also you can use the same thing to an extent. Now let us try 2020. Let's see how the response is. It says no data found because that is not the pattern, it's stored. So let us again try to do it with percentage 20. This should display everything because you have, for all the things you have the storage as 20s. Okay, so you can do a percentage change there also. Now let us try August. However, internally the data August is not what it is getting stored here. So you need to change the dates format when you do this query. So we will see why this is not working as we proceed further in our sessions. So for now, to an extent you can use this like command to find a specific patterns even in the date, even though it is not possible in all ways like character and numbers. In the date field also you can actually use the like pattern to find a specific type of date of pattern. Okay, so with this we'll end this session. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you.